In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Elementor footer. Footer customization is an essential aspect of designing a website, as it allows you to maintain a consistent look and feel across all pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effectively modify or create a new footer that perfectly aligns with your site's aesthetics and functionality. Let's begin by installing and activating the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, or UAE plugin. This plugin expands the capabilities of Elementor, providing additional widgets and design options. To do this, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the Plugins section. Click on it, then Add New. Here, you can search for the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. Once you locate it, click Install Now and then Activate. With UAE installed and activated, you're equipped with a powerful tool to enhance your Elementor experience. Next, we need to access the Header and Footer Builder. Back in your WordPress admin sidebar, locate the UAE option. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Header and Footer Builder. This takes you to a screen where you can create or manage your website's header and footer templates. You're now in the area where your existing footer templates are displayed. If you've previously created a footer, it should appear here. Find your footer template in the list and click Edit to open it if you want to make modifications. If you're starting with a blank slate, click Add New. This will allow you to create a brand new footer from scratch, ensuring it meets your desired specifications. Once inside the Elementor editor, let your creativity flow. You have complete control over design and content. Utilize Elementor's drag-and-drop functionality to add elements like text, images, or even widgets, and arrange them as you like. This is your opportunity to experiment with colors, fonts, and designs to create a footer that not only looks great, but also functions well with important links and information. After you're satisfied with your design, it's time to publish your footer. Click the Publish button in the bottom left corner of the editor. At this point, you'll be prompted to assign conditions for where you'd like the footer to appear. Typically, you'd select Entire Site to ensure a uniform look on every page. And there you have it. Your newly designed Elementor footer is now live on your website. This simple process not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also solidifies your brand identity by providing visitors with consistent navigation tools across your online presence. Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoy creating your unique footers in Elementor.